Hi, this is Ben from SnapType, and in this video, I want to show you about our new screen lock feature. This can be very helpful for students who get easily distracted when doing worksheets, or students who need a little bit of extra help because their dexterity is not so great. So, for example, if I have this worksheet and I'm a student and maybe I get really excited by changing the zoom, moving things around, picking different colors, doing anything but my work, the screen lock may be a good feature for you. So the first thing we need to do is actually turn this on in the app settings. It's not included by default because we don't want to clutter up the toolbar like so many other PDF annotation apps out there, where our tool is designed specifically for students and students who need extra accommodations. We put a lot of our powerful features here in our hidden icons, and we can add or remove them from the toolbar as we need. So here I will turn on the lock feature. And now if I go back to my worksheet, you see there's a little lock icon in the top of the screen. So what I'm going to do as the educator first, I'm going to set the zoom to where I think it's appropriate for the student. And I've already turned on advanced text boxes in the system settings as well. And here I can add some blank text boxes and I can set their width. So if I add another text box here, and I'm going to set the width to the full length, and I have text wrapping on, and I'm going to add another one here. There we go. So now we see we've got this worksheet, and basically I just want the student to be able to tap on the boxes and enter their text and not do anything else. So what I can do is press the screen lock button in the top left. That changes color. And now I can't change the zoom, I can't pan the worksheet, I can't add new boxes. All I can do is enter text. So if I select this first one, right now I see a tree outside, something like that. And if I were to enter the next text box, maybe this time I want to use text to speech. Let's see how this works. All right, so there you can see I've added some text, and as the educator, when you're all done, you can easily untap the lock button and you'll be good to go if you need to make any other adjustments. In any case, that's all I have for you today. I hope you're going to love SnapType's new screen lock feature, and we hope it provides you and your students a lot of value going forward. Thanks very much.